How to add and change language on Samsung keyboard. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our language and add different languages on our Samsung keyboard. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your settings. After opening up your settings, scroll down until you see general management section. After seeing that, just tap on that option and you should be able to see Samsung keyboard settings. Just tap on that option here, and very first option you see languages and types. You may just tap on that option, and here you will be able to see manage input languages option. Just tap on it, and here you should be able to see a bunch of languages that you may use on a keyboard or add. So let's say I want to add a particular another language here. I'm just gonna you choose Arabic language. So I'm just going to choose Arabic language. For that, I'm just going to tap on this download option and wait for the language to be downloaded. After that, automatically the language will be added onto my keyboard. When I use my keyboard, you can see this toggle option is turned on, which means the language has been added on my keyboard. So same goes for other languages also. You may just tap on those languages and tap on this toggle option, and those will be added into your keyboard. So for now, just get back until you see language switching method. Here what I want you to do is just tap on that option, and you can just choose this space bar swipe. After that, when you try to enter, you will be able to switch your language. Let's just go to search for now. So I'm just gonna swipe my keyboard, and you can see my language has been changed into Arabic, just like that. And just like that, you can switch your language on Samsung phone without any very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.